Good morning, students. Today we will start our written work you do in your fair copy. Okay. Before starting work, students put up date on top of your copy and then classwork and lesson and chapter name. Okay, like this. And students, before starting, I would like to tell you about your copies. You see, your SST book is divided into three parts: history, geography, and civics. Students, you make your history copy normal Hindi copy, and civics like history normal copy and geography copy you make Hindi interleave copy. Okay, do you understand all students? So let's start. Students, make your history, geography and civics copy very neat and clean. Write very clearly. Okay students? Now let's we start writing some hard words.
Watch.
First word is historian. 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 Okay students? Second one is prehistory. 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 Third, protohistory. PROTOHISTORY. Fourth one is civilization. CIVILISATION. Okay students? Fifth one is archaeologist. ARCHEOLOGIST. Okay students? Sixth, LITERARY. Seventh one is excavation. EXCAVATIANS. Okay students? Eighth one is excavation. Okay student? EXCAVATIONS. Okay. Next, monuments. MONUMENTS. Next one is numismatics. Okay students? 10th one is epigraphy. Okay, this is your hard word. These are hard words you write in your fair copy. Okay, next we do multiple choice questions, MCQ. Right here. Multiple. Deccan region is well known for. Students, write all options also in your fair copy. Okay, one is megaliths. Second one is temples. And third, Sangam literature, and fourth one is all of these. Okay, do you know? Deccan region is well known for megaliths, temples, Sangam literature, all of these. Do you know all? Which is right option? All of these. Okay. Second one is the most popular method of dating used by archaeologists is options हैं carbon 14 dating, second one is carbon 18 dating, third one is carbon 33 dating, और fourth one is none of these. Okay students, correct option is carbon 14 dating, A. Third one is the study of coins is called, options हैं A inscription, second one is manuscript, third one is numismatic, numismatics. Okay, and fourth one is none of these. The right option is numismatic. Okay students, now next, fourth one is epigraphy, is the study of, option A, coins, B, inscriptions, third one is manuscript, fourth one is all of these. Right option is epigraphy is the study of inscriptions. B option is right. Okay students, last one is which of the following is an example of secular, secular, secular literature, literature. Okay, students. Now, example option is A, Vedas, B, epics, the epics. Next option, Indica, and fourth one is none of these. The right answer is C option is right, Indica. Okay, do you in your fair copy? Okay, multiple choice questions. Deccan region is well known for megaliths, temples, Sangam literature, all of these. The right option is all of these. Second one is the most popular method of dating used by archaeologists is carbon-14 dating, carbon-18 dating, carbon-33 dating, none of these. The right option is carbon-14 dating. A option is right, carbon-14 dating. Third one, the study of coins is called inscriptions, manuscripts, numismatic. Okay, students? Numismatics. Okay. Fourth one is epigraphy is the study of coins, inscriptions, manuscripts, all of these. The right option is B, inscriptions. Last one is which of the following is an example of secular literature? Vedas, the epic, Indica, none of these. The right option is Indica. Okay, students, thank you.